Hello, good morning everybody. I have brought some special product and I make this video for I want to share to another people. Let's to see together. Today very surprised. I have Money Amulet. This is Money Amulet.
Where did you order from?
I order this is from Tibet. This is real Money Amulet. Okay. Very surprised. Wow. And 3 days I waiting some Money Amulet. From they send from DHL. Okay. This is I'm already good luck after this day. Yeah. Really. Money Amulet. Okay, and then we have to do 8 things about Money Amulet. First, put Money Amulet on the white fabric and clean. Okay. And then on the window, just on the window. Because the Money Amulet need to power from the sun, from the moon. Yeah. And then I have to pray with Money Amulet. And I have to pray. If I want something like 3 things, I have to pray for him first, okay? Okay. Bring your Money Amulet, put in your hand. And then pray and tell your names, tell your family name, what the day you're born, and tell to Money Amulet. And then put on the white fabric after that. And still maybe 2 or 3 minutes for Money Amulet suck power from the sun, from the moon. Okay, put the Money Amulet. Okay, and then put in your bed. Yeah, under. Finish. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, if my life have everything changed, like I have good luck about money, I will video to you. This is the Money Amulet. If everybody prays to Money Amulet and very good luck money, same lucky money. Okay. Thank you so much.